Step 1. Assemble the movable glass components. Install the vertical profile on both sides of glass, and finally fix the aluminum edge profile groove to the both vertical sides of glass by screws. Step 2. Measure the installation dimensions and the flatness of the wall and ground to ensure the verticality of the installation dimensions and wall. If the inclination angle of the wall or ground is too large, corresponding adjustments should be made. Step 3. Install profiles on the wall. Place the profile at the installation position on both walls and measure the verticality with a level gauge. Profile installation positioning. Use a pencil to mark the edge of the profile frame and the hole punching position. Remove the profile and use an impact drill to drill holes at the marked positions. Use a rubber hammer to drive the expanded rubber particles into the screw hole position. Move the profile to the corresponding marked positions of screw hole and lock it with screws. Clip the bayonet with the profiles on both sides of walls. Press the adhesive strip into the left profile. Install water blocking strip. Cut the corresponding length of the water blocking strip according to the width of the fixed glass. Step 4. Install the fixed glass. Clip the fixed glass into the groove of the right side profile and lower water blocking strip. Step 5. Assemble the side pillars. Install the pendulum prevention wheel to the corresponding position of the edge position of column and tighten the screw with an Allen wrench. Press the adhesive strip into the groove of the edge column. Clip the edge column to the fixed glass. Step 6. Install the upper guide rail. Cut the corresponding length of the upper guide rail according to the width of the fixed glass. Place the pulleys into the upper guide rail from both sides. Move the buffer to the compressed state, insert it into the guide rail, and tighten it with an Allen wrench to fix the position of buffer. Clip the assembled upper guide rail into the profile and fixed glass. Step 7. Install the movable door. Remove the decorative cover of the edge aluminum, and then clip the groove of edge aluminum to the guide wheel. Install the glass door assembly to the upper guide rail, and lock it with screws. The adhesive strip into the vertical profile on both sides. Step 8. Install the handle and apply glue. Apply glass adhesive to the joint between the profile and the two walls and stone foundation, and wait the solidification of glass adhesive completely around 24 hours till it can be used normally with water.